So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Alrighty, JJLEE squad, what is up? It is your boy Jordan. I'm gonna do a quick video for y'all. A little quick little install. Hour one, some carbon canards from Chrome and Carbon NC on Instagram. A little contest. So you know I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. I need to buy a freaking drill because I'm going to my mom's house because my dad has a drill for me. So I'm gonna get that done. Hopefully I don't have my hand in the middle of the camera. But other than that, I'm gonna hit this drill. I'm gonna install these canards real quick, boy. And we're gonna see how the back bumper is gonna be looking. So stay tuned, man. I'm excited. I was gonna really crash y'all, but y'all can see, go ahead and take a look at them. They are looking pretty crispy. That carbon is shit, shines, bro. It shines real good. But I will get back to y'all real slightly, and I guess I will catch y'all later. Alrighty. I'm back, JJLEE squad. I just want to show y'all, man, a little quick with the tools I got. Of course, I got the carbon canards. Got 3 little spot holes. Of course, I'm so glad. These are like 15 bucks on Amazon, bro. A whole set of self-tapping screws that I use to install the front lip. So I got all different kind of sizes, whole bunch. So I probably do more than just 3 just to secure it. As y'all saw in the front lip when I start the carbon front splitter, I put at least 20 self-tapping screws in there. Self-tapping screws are screws with washers made onto them so they won't come out, pretty much. So plus, just in case, I got a little thread locker, blue thread locker. So it's just this form. So you know what I'm saying, 3. It's shiny, real carbon, gonna fit on the back. Y'all can see, got the drilling holes right there, self-tapping screws, and of course you're gonna need a drill. But other than that, I guess I can show y'all how these babies gonna be sitting real quickie and move real quick, because I got nosy people. But I'm gonna let y'all see the carbon in it real quickie like that. Look at all that, bro. Look at all that. Do I know you, lady? I'll be right back. Y'all can see, I just cleaned the girl up. She is shiny. But y'all can see, got the carbon rear diffuser. And the canards are gonna sit. Oh my God, embarrassed. I put it on the wrong side. I'm leaving that in there though. But y'all can see, I cleaned up the girl real quick. But carbon canards are gonna go right here. Gonna sit pretty. It meets the back bumper just like that. Look at that. That's gonna look real good. Hopefully I don't. Yeah, I probably don't have to lift that up. I can find it. Alrighty. But that's pretty much the plan, JJLEE squad. Carbon canards, carbon diffuser, carbon front lip. So y'all just stay tuned. Let me give y'all another look around the clean white dragon 392. Front lip still looking good. Awesome. I hope y'all like that little, I think it was like 5 or 6 videos made in a row every single day for y'all. So I hope y'all like that little thing for y'all. But y'all can see, stay tuned. I will pick up the camera after I'm done installing it. Alright, JJLEE squad, the canards are installed. Look at that. I just perfectly with it. That's a straight carbon. It's kind of swirl carbon, but that's fine. Look at it. Finished perfectly. Look at that. I did drill extra holes in each of them. Like I think about 3. I added 3 more extra bolts. Look at that. It's on there. So y'all go. Looking crispy and clean. Y'all can see. Here you go. Going around. Got the carbon. Just like that. Also, like I said, I use blue thread locker. Excuse me. I know I'm dirty, but y'all can see, man, a little complete look. I'm going to close the trunk on y'all real quick. Remember, be different. Always be different. Never be like anybody else, y'all. But as y'all can see, there it goes. First clean, get some pics a little bit, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, that's it. It's coming together. And then the funny story is I really was from the body is It was in my eBay card, bro. Then I ended up winning it. So shout out to Chrome and Carbon NC. I'm gonna go send them these pictures so they can put it up. And I'll leave a link to their Instagram in the description below. Good quality, looks good, easy install. 5, 4, maybe 3 minutes tops. But there I go. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna like, subscribe, favorite, share it. Follow your boy on Instagram and remember to subscribe. And I will catch y'all later. Peace.